Hello everyone, so today we have a Chevrolet Cruze 2012 1.8 liter oil change. This one takes about 4.8 quarts and I already have it on the ramps. Remember to put the safety on the wheels and the parking brake, and let's get it started. Okay, so before you go and take off the drain plug, take off the fuel plug on top of the motor just to get some air. Okay, so ignore the leak, but this one has a bolt, 10mm bolt, so just grab your ratchet and then lefty loosey, and it's loose. Okay, so just wait for it to drain. While it drains, you can go on top, and this one has the filter right here. You see the motor right there. So the filter is a 24mm, so just make sure that you have the socket for it, because my set doesn't have it, but I do have this impact socket, and I'm just gonna do it real careful. So yeah, just put it there and lefty loosey. So we're just gonna change it out, and remember to take out the oil ring. And remember to lube up the oil ring. Just put some oil around it, either new or old, doesn't matter, it's not a lot. And then you're gonna grab your filter thing and put it right there, and there it is. Now just grab your new filter and go like this. You should hear a click. Just make sure it doesn't fall, and that's good to go. So then you're just gonna put it back in, hand tight first, and right there it tells you the torque spec, which is 25 something, but I recommend you to just hand tight first and then snug it up with your ratchet, and you should be good. Okay, so just snug it up and that should be good, and you're finished with the oil filter. So now it's just dripping a little bit, and it should be good. So just grab your drain plug. If you have the new clutch washer, put the new washer in, and then put your drain plug. Hand tight first. Just put in the drain plug with your hand first, then grab your ratchet, righty tighty, and the torque spec for this is 18 foot-pounds. So right now I'm gonna grab my torque wrench and set it up to 18 foot-pounds. So now I have my torque wrench right here. I set it up to 18 foot-pounds, and there it is, 18 foot-pounds. So this one takes 5W30. We're putting full synthetic, and it takes about 4.8 quarts. So I'm gonna use my funnel thing right here, and I'm gonna put about 4.6, 4.7 quarts. Well, I'm gonna put 4.8 and then check the level. So now we're just gonna drop it, put it in a level surface, and then check the oil level. Okay, so now with the car in a level surface, you're gonna grab your oil filter stick and then clean it off so that you can see the new oil. Okay, so just remember that it has 3 lines. The best one is in the middle. So if your oil is in the middle, then you're good to go. So then to reset your oil life, you're gonna come over here using your left stick. You're gonna click menu, and then you're gonna keep clicking menu till you see the oil life. Then you're gonna click right here to reset it. And then you can, this is how you move it with this thing. You're gonna move it up and then click OK again, and it resets. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments if you have them.